Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Money Lover app on your mobile phone. Money Lover helps you better manage your expenses and plan budgets wisely to save more money for your future. So, to download it, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for Money Lover. You can see the app here, Money Lover Expense Tracker. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time depending upon the internet connection. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to open this app. The app is ready to use. You can sign in or log in to use the features of this application and manage your expenses. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.